na minention po namin. At dahil po dito, meron po kaming rinirekomenda, ang ICI at ang DPWH ay nagrerekomenda sa ating Honorable Ombudsman na ng mga posibleng mga kaso laban sa 8 katauhang ito, kasama si former Congressman Zaldico. Number 1, violation of Republic Act 7080 or the act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Violations of Section 3, B, E, and H of Republic Act 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. Violation of Article 210 of the Revised Penal Code on direct bribery. Violation of Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials. Ito po yung conflict of interest. At violation din po ng Government Procurement Reform Act at violation of Article 6, Section 14 of the 1987 Constitution. So yun po, mahal na Ombudsman, ang sinusumiti namin ngayon sa inyong tanggapan.